Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take a mask and cut the edges out of it, open it and then color it and make the small pieces out of it. Now take a clay and then press it very nicely. Now take two more clays and then press it. Now take the mask and then start pressing it all together as shown in the video. Now with the help of a green marker, start making the lines and the leaves as shown, and it's all done. For the next one, take a sheet. Now take the toothpicks and then tie it with the help of an elastic and start making the dots with the help of a paint color. Now do it as shown in the video. Now take a different shade of a pink and then blend it very nicely and gently, and it's all done. It is cute though, right? For the next one, take a sheet and then a clay. Now start pressing the clay all over the sheet and make the lines out of it. Now take the clay and make the stems out of the clay as shown in the video and make a cute little flowers and the leaves as shown in the video with the help of a clay, and then make the flowers and it will look like this. Now press the flowers on the stems and then make the cute little honeybee as shown in the video, and then it's all done. It is cute, right? For the next one, take a sheet and paste it. Now take a clay and paste it on the bottom of it and then start making the lines with the help of a fork. Now take a mask and cut the edges out of it, open it very nicely and then start coloring it and then make it into a small pieces. Now take a clay and press it. Now start pressing the small pieces of tissue we have made earlier and then press it very nicely and gently, and it's done. Let's start the video. So for this one, take a tissue paper and then tear it nicely into this and make the small pieces out of it. Now take a clay and then press it very nicely on a sheet of different colors of different sizes and then start pressing the tissue paper all over it as it will look like this. Now start doing it as shown in the video, and it's all done. For this one, cut out the triangular shape and then paste it on the sheet as shown in the video. Now take a clay and spread it on the top bottom of it and then paste a cute little clays out of it as shown in the video. Now repeat the process very nicely with the help of a different clay and of different colors. It will look like this, and it's all done. Cute, right? For this one, take a clay and then paste it nicely. Now start spreading it from all the sides of a clay. Now repeat the process from all the other three clays. Now take a small clay and paste it. Now make the small dots out of it and then start making the stem and the leaves. Now with the help of a red colored clay, start making the bugs out of it as shown in the video. Repeat the process very nicely and gently as it will look like this. It's done. For the next one, take a clay and press it very nicely as it will look like this. Now repeat the process with all the other clays of different sizes. Now make the small curvy lines all over the clay as shown in the video and repeat the process as it will look like this, and it's all done. Thanks for watching.